So today we're going to start off our animal research using WorldBook. So here I am on the library website. I'm on the research page and I'm going to click on this icon right here. This is the WorldBook icon. We're using WorldBook because remember it gives us good background information. So on this page I'm going to select WorldBook Kids. And when we've done this in the past, we use this right here. We use the search bar, but we're going to do things a little bit differently today. Instead of searching for the animal you've chosen to do, I want you to come down here to the icon called World of Animals and click on that instead. That's going to bring you to this page. From here, you're going to browse to find your animal. The animal I'm looking up today is a reindeer, and I know that that is a land mammal, so I'm going to come over here and click on this icon right here. Here we have a list of all the land mammals. I'm going to scroll through until I can find my reindeer. These are all in alphabetical order, so it's going to take me a minute, but here I am. And then I click on that. This is a picture of a reindeer, and I'm going to click right here where it says Go to Reindeer Exhibit. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because this is a good way to find this little fact sheet right here. This gives me some really nice basic information so that I can do further research and already have some knowledge to draw off of. So you see here we have the size, here we have the lifespan, and here we have what they eat. So this reindeers are herbivores, which means they eat grasses, leaves, and lichens. What I can do is just look at this list. It's really nicely broken down. See if that answers any of my research questions. Once I get all that information down, I'm going to be ready to look at the full WorldBook article. I can do that by going right over here to where it says View Article. Even if I don't end up using anything out of that article, I still want to go to it because that is where I'm going to go to get my MLA citation. So once I've used this quick fact list, I'm going to click right here where it says View Article.